Okay. Hi guys on YouTube, we're loading up the Bosch Logixx dishwasher with some filthy, not filthy, but probably reasonable, normal style. But I think a glass fellow. Wait, hold on a minute. Oh. And then I think we've got this that needs to go in, I think. Oh, yeah. Another fish slice thing. Okay.
I'll show it on it.
And then and how I like to do it there is I position the wheel slicers like that. Alright. Well, will that not fit?
It won't.
That's no good. Darn it.
Sorry.
Never mind.
I think glass fell over there. I want to see where.
Yeah, these angles are anyway, so we need some dishwasher tabs, don't we?
Yeah.
Which is in the far left hand corner of the far right hand side, I think it is.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you got it?
Yeah, so I should pop one.
So you pass that to me and
you need to check that the spray is all working.
The spray on spin.
Working correctly, so the ones that are not.
Then it's absolutely useless, isn't it?
Yeah,
what have you done with the tab? You got it?
Pop it in.
And just one finished dishwasher classic tab, and then shut. Then just set it on auto, which is that one here, and it should be in 87 minutes, which is about under 1 minute 20.
1.5 hours, yeah.
And you need another carrier bag for the bin, won't you?
Yeah, I'll get that out.
I guess you're going to have to learn in the winter if you're going to make sure you put some salt on the steps, wouldn't you? In case you slip and hurt yourself, wouldn't you?
I'll do that, yeah.
So you have to make sure they deliver some salt to you.
We've got some in the garage, I think.
Yeah, I think maybe like Chris could bring some down.
I think we have some, so I don't think we'll need any. I think
that's the bin. Lovely jobs.
We'll have a problem until we get that one taken back.
Meanwhile, I could film the Bosch while it's doing. I could film both Bosch appliances for a little while. The dryer's on cottons, extra dry low heat